We are already picking up our things and Chelsea's there. And my job is to make this open all the time. Our things are at the back and these things are from our friends. So, good job, Chelsea!
Yay! We're coming in ako.
Guys, last but not the least,
Out of this room, everything's in the home.
the driver already came back here twice, so this is not all of the things that we had. These things are from our friends, and we're going to put this back again inside. Woo! And she just arrived yesterday, guys.
My muscles hurt so much.
She's ready, guys.
Yes, I don't know if it fits though. Guys, plastic. Ambulance.
Nalagay ka sa door.
Ready. Timotuyok.
Hey, Zanda! She's helping us today. So we just arrived in our place. Finally did it. This is the update of our house. Yeah. Oh my god, guys, we did it.
4 people. 4 people idols in here.
In 1 week, magbulan ka na sa group.
Room update. I got lots of things here and I've got my other things fixed already, and this is already full, and the things here are also almost full, and there are some suitcases in there. So here would be my teaching materials and my bags, and I'm still thinking what to put here. And below are my footwears. I also got more things on this side, and these are my boots. I finished our picking up of our things, and now we are installing the Wi-Fi, so I don't have time to really rest, so I'm waiting for him to call me and I need to pull this up. Now in Mercadona doing my shopping, my grocery things, and after that I will be heading home.
So close.
I removed the glass over there, and now I'll be able to clean it properly. And I go where you go. When we always. Oh.
One down.
Okay, next. Ito na. Yung mga hardware girls nyo. Kuyo kayong mga boys.
Masing balidzay. Murag balidzay. Dili mo ka na nga balik.
Ay,
Kana.
inupot man ni Uy. Isa ha.
Tabang. Okay.
Katawa ka.
Okay.
Oh!
Oh.